Hi friends, welcome to my Gemstone deal channel. Again I have a beautiful and interesting video for you. Here I will explain you about the jewelry and gems if you want to clean up it. Sometimes the gems and jewelry can get oily or sometimes very blurry due to the dust. So if you want to clean up it, and if you want to clean like a new one, how you can do it, I will explain this all about you, that how can you clean up this jewelry and gems without any problem at home. So I think this video will be very interesting, very informative for you, and you can get rid of all your dusty and your rinsing jewelry. So here you have to get some white vinegar, that is synthetic vinegar. For example, 200-300 ml you take, and 100 ml water mixed with it. Dip all your jewelry and all your gemstones in this vinegar and leave it for 30 minutes. And friends, if you have a toothbrush, after 30 minutes you can rub this toothbrush on your jewelry and gems, and for 5 to 10 minutes you rub, and all the jewelry and the gemstone will be cleansed up with this brush. And after that you can again put for 10 minutes this gems and jewelry in the citrus acid and or vinegar, and after 10 minutes, after 10 minutes you can wash with the clean water. After you can keep in the water in the plain and simple water for 10 to 20 minutes to rinse off all the acid effects on jewelry or gems. And after 10 to 20 minutes you can get it out, all your jewelry and gems from the water, and you have to dry it and put in your jewelry boxes. All your jewelry will be cleansed like a new. So guys, this is the process of cleansing up the jewelry and gems if you want to do it. So guys, keep sharing and keep watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel also, and click the icon button to take and to watch all your fresh videos. Thanks a lot. And friends, if you have a toothbrush, after 30 minutes you can rub this toothbrush on your jewelry and gems, and for 5 to 10 minutes you rub, and all the jewelry and the gemstone will be cleansed up